Hi lovelies, welcome back once again. Here is Phoebe's Kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Once again I'm back and I want to share with you how to make this delicious, soft and fluffy, buttery, not in the mouth, homemade croissant that is better than takeout. Lovely, stay tuned to the end and be inspired as always. And please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video to support your girl. Okay, now check this out. You will eat and even ask for more. And my version is so simple and I wish I knew this earlier. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In the bowl I'm adding my all-purpose or plain flour. Next I'll go ahead and add my sugar. Next salt to taste. Next my nutmeg powder. Next I'll mix everything together really well. And then in the middle I'll create sort of a well. And then I'll add my milk. Next I'll add my egg just like this. Next I'll add yeast. And then I'll proceed to add my baking powder. And then I'll add my evaporated milk just like this. Once that is done, lovelies, I'll then go ahead and mix everything together with my clean hand. You can as well use your spoon or spatula to do this, okay? So I'll just mix everything until a dough is formed. And now I'll add my butter. So I'll keep on molding and mixing everything together until well incorporated. When making croissant, it's always important to add more butter, especially if you want them rich and flaky. I'll still add some flour more because the texture is not what I'm looking for. So here we go. I'll keep on mixing and molding until I achieve the consistency I'm looking for. Yeah, so far so good. This is what I'm looking for. So I'll transfer the dough onto a flour dusted work surface, okay? And here we go, beautiful. At this point, for more flavor, I'll then go ahead and add more vanilla extract, okay? And then I'll keep on molding and also slapping the dough onto the surface until gluten is activated, yeah? So you can slap the dough on the surface for about 20 times and in the end, you should be good to go. Once you press on it and then it bounces back, it means the gluten is formed, yeah? So now in the bowl I've added oil and I'm adding my dough. I'll just cover it up with my cling film and I'll allow it to rest for about an hour in a warm place, yeah? By that time it should double up or triple up. So we are back after an hour and here we go. Our dough has indeed doubled up. So now on a clean work surface I'll transfer the dough just like this. And then I'll just mold again for a short time, not too much, and I'll cut it into two just like this, and I'll cut them up again into pieces, cutting each half into 5, okay? So now I'm forming a ball just like this. Once I'm done, lovely, we will continue from there, so keep watching and go nowhere, yeah? So this is our last round dough or ball. I'm all done. Next I'll dust my rolling pin with some flour and I'll flatten every dough here out just like this, okay? Now I'll set this aside. I'll repeat myself until all the round dough or balls are done, yeah? To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video and I'll always appreciate it. So that's it. Finally, the last one. Now on the plate, I'll sprinkle some flour just like this and then add one flat dough just like this and now I'll spread butter on it. Remember, the more the butter, the more rich, flaky and glossy your croissant becomes. So it's up to you to decide, yeah? I want my soft, fluffy, rich, not too flaky and glossy, okay? So my butter is going to be a little bit above moderate and not too much to be flaky. I hope you get it. The texture of your croissant is all by choice and preference, okay? My butter was really good and that also perfected the outcome of my croissant and I love them. Next, lovelies, on the same work surface, I'll transfer all the flat dough like this and now I'll bring my rolling pin again to flatten them out until both sides are all nice and smooth. So now I'll cut all the edges off, leaving me with a rectangular shape, yeah? So far, if you're enjoying the video, lovelies, don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe, alright? So now we are all done cutting the edges. So I'll proceed to cut the dough into a triangular shape without measuring. If you want the sizes the same, it's better to measure or to eyeball correctly. But with mine, I wanted some big and small, hence going for these cutouts, okay? So now I'll put them on the side to make space for the next step, yeah? Now I'll cut into two the base of the triangular dough, and then I'll roll it just like this. If you want to make more layers, then roll it close to each other. I hope you get it. But if you're not really bothered about the layers, then you can go ahead and mold it just as you want and you'll be good to go. So now I'll let them rest again in a warm area for about 30 minutes for them to rise. 30 minutes later, we are back and they've really risen, and I'll proceed to brush their tops with egg wash. You can even use evaporated milk or combine both and you'll be good to go, yeah? Lovelies, to support your girl, you can also help me recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes, yeah? All done now, so I'll put everything into my preheated oven, baking them under the temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, yeah? So now I'm back, and this is how beautiful they are. Very, very flavorful and aromatic. My house smells so heavily, and I hope you give this a try, lovelies. You'll love them, I promise you. So now for glossiness, I'm adding butter, and this was out of the world. So magical. So far, so good. Now let's check this out. I love the outcome. Very, very soft and fluffy, buttery, and melt in the mouth just as I wanted. And the taste in there will blow your mind, lovelies. Look how my kids are happy to finally eat their croissant. Lovelies, don't just watch the video, okay? Give it a try and thank me later. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, take care. Toodles. Peace out.